What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this rather famous and rather prestigious name of a village in the Burgundy wine region of France. We are in the Côte de Beaune, to the south of the Côte d'Or, in the center, in the heart of the Burgundy, where they make some delicious Chardonnay and Pinot Noir wines. Yes, Pernand-Vergelesses makes both the red and the white wines. We are close to the town of Beaune and just north of Savigny-les-Beaunes, that beautiful village that makes some succulent wines as well. So we are looking at how to pronounce Pernand-Vergelesses with the typical French pronunciation. So the D to Pernand is silent, so do not say Pernand, but rather Pernand. Pernand, but you can just say Pernand. And then Vergelesses, Vergelesses with a silent S as well, so do not say Vergelesses, but Vergelesses, Pernand-Vergelesses, Pernand-Vergelesses, or the typical French pronunciation again, Pernand-Vergelesses, the village of Pernand-Vergelesses, le village de Pernand-Vergelesses. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir, bye bye.